Turn up the heat, unpacking an English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's English language learning video. In this episode, we're going to explore the phrase, turn up the heat. This is a fascinating expression in English, and understanding it can really add depth to your language skills. So, let's dive in and unravel its meanings. When we look at turn up the heat in its most basic, literal sense, it refers to increasing the temperature. Think of turning the knob on a stove to make the flame higher or adjusting a thermostat to make a room warmer. It's all about making things hotter or warmer. Now, let's explore the more figurative or metaphorical use of this phrase. When someone says, turn up the heat in a non-literal context, they're usually talking about increasing pressure or intensity in a situation. For example, in a competitive environment, like a sports game or a business setting, turning up the heat could mean making the competition more intense or challenging. To better understand this, let's look at some examples. 1. In sports, the team decided to turn up the heat in the second half, playing more aggressively to win the game. 2. In work or school, as the project deadline approached, the manager turned up the heat on her team to ensure timely completion. 3. In personal challenges, he turned up the heat on his workout routine to achieve his fitness goals faster. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in different scenarios, emphasizing the idea of intensifying an effort or situation. It's important to note the cultural context in which this phrase is used. It's often seen in American English, particularly in contexts involving competition or challenges. When using this phrase, be mindful of the situation. It's best suited for informal or colloquial settings and might not be appropriate in very formal or serious contexts. And that wraps up our exploration of turn up the heat. I hope this video has shed some light on this interesting English phrase and how you can use it effectively in your conversations. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the little nuances that make it rich and expressive. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.